So C is concentration, and the thing to remember is the standard units for concentration, always moles per decimeter cubed. And then the volume is V, and that also must be in decimeter cubed, so that is consistent with the concentration unit. That means if you were given a volume in centimeter cubed, which is very common in high school chemistry questions, like here for example, you must convert from centimeter cubed into decimeter cubed. 1,000 centimeter cubed is 1 decimeter cubed. So you'll have to divide the volume by 1,000 before you plug it into this formula to calculate the moles. Okay, so with that said, let's take a look at each of these examples. Now, you will notice that for each salt, so we've got copper sulfate and just different versions of copper sulfate here, the mass is provided in grams, and you will notice there's no mass in this moles formula. So what we need to do is, if we're going to work out the concentration, we need to determine what the moles are first of all. Now we can't get it from this formula, but we can get it from the moles equals mass over RFM formula. So again, this is another one I've covered in a previous video. All the links are below in the description. So that's the first thing I'm going to do, is to work out the moles of each one, and then I can plug into this formula and work out the concentrations. For the first one, and let's do this in a different color. So copper sulfate in the first example has a mass of 0.2 and a volume of 12 centimeter cubed. We don't need that for the moment. We're just going to work out the moles. So let's do it down here. So moles equals mass, which is 0.2 over the RFM. So the RFM of copper sulfate is 63.5 for copper, plus 32 for sulfur, plus 4 times 16 for the oxygen, which is 64. So that gives us, so let's round that just 0.0013. So 4 decimal place. So I'm going to write the moles there, 0.0013. Now let's repeat for number 2. And then finally, so now that we have the moles of each one, which is what I've bracketed here in red, we can now go ahead and work out the concentrations. So rearranging the formula first of all, so moles equals CV, so therefore C equals moles over V. So this is the form we're going to be using. And let's do it for each one, number 1, number 2, and number 3. So number 1, the answer is going to be 0.0013 divide. Now the volume, remember what I said, this has to be turned into decimeter cube. So 12 divided by 1,000 is 0.012. So we've got 0.0013 divide 0.012 gives us an answer of 0.1083. So approximately 0.11 moles per decimeter cubed is the concentration of the first one. Number 2 will be, and then finally number 3. So if we look at the 3 answers, we can see the most concentrated is number 2. The next one down is number 1. And then the one with the lowest concentration is the water crystallization, number 3. If you found any value today, give this video a like and subscribe, as it helps the channel massively. And check out all of the other videos I've produced on GCSE maths and science content. I'm sure you'll find something helpful. And I'll see you in the next one.